Hello and welcome to Miami Stainless TV. In this video, we will show you how to install glass clamps on metal posts. Start by drilling an 11mm hole 200mm from the underside of your handrail and a second 11mm hole 200mm from the ground. Insert M8 blind nut rivets into pre-drilled holes using an HNO2 blind nut rivet tool. More information on this tool is available in our resources section at www.miamistainless.com.au. Separate the glass clamp and place the rubber insert. Using an Allen key and cap screw, fix the glass clamps to your posts. Place 50mm blocks at the base of your installation. This will act as a spacer for your glass panel. Fit your glass snug against the glass clamps. Insert your glass clamp screws and tighten using an Allen key. For a polished look, insert mirror polish or satin finish screw covers. Your installation is complete. To keep up to date with the latest news from Miami Stainless, follow us on social media or visit us at www.miamistainless.com.au.